Okay, we're underway here on the boat, Das Boot. And we're going underneath the bridge here, heading out into, well, what you might call open waters on the lake. But they were coming over the bridge. Yeah, we got some plants growing up there, upside down. I'm at the front here getting all the wind, but that's all right. And I'm coming back here. I'm all rigged up, got my life vest on. So safety first, as usual. And then we have the rest of our group, and the dock was way back there.
If someone wants to take a picture, we can come slowly to the front, okay?
Jet skis up there. Back to shore now here. We gotta climb up all those steps to get back to the bus. And then heading back to the hotel, I presume.